Hello, welcome. My name is Manuel from CaterGraphix. The last time we learned how to create an account in the Academy website. Today we are going to learn how to purchase a course after you're done creating an account. By the way, if you want to learn how to create an account, a thumbnail will be at the end of this video to guide you through that particular lecture, okay? Now to purchase a course, all you need to do is to log into the Academy website and in the home page, click on Get a Course. When you click on Get a Course, you'll be redirected to the courses page, okay? In the courses page, you can do two things. Either add the product to cart or you can read about the product. When you click on the product name, you'll be redirected to the product page, okay? Where you can read everything you need to know about the product. You can also add the product to cart from here, or you can get back to this part and add the product to cart, okay? When you add a product to cart, the button will switch from add to cart to view cart, okay? So practically, this shouldn't be add to cart. When we refresh this page, this will be view cart. Fine. So now what we need to do is click on the view cart button either from here or from the products page. We'll be redirected to the cart page. This is the cart page. What you need to do is to proceed to check out. So here you fill in all your details, all your information, fill in all details from here, okay? Fill in all your details. Your phone number, you can fill that from here. It should be some phone number. Okay, now you can enable this button, very important, okay? Create an account is very important. So your account will automatically be created as you purchase. But if you still didn't enable it, you still have opportunity. An email will be sent to you to create an account. But if you create an account, an email will be sent to you to change your password. Okay, your email will be the username and your password will now be changed after you're done purchasing the course. You can add additional notes from here and you can proceed to making payment from this button. So fine, we'll be redirected to this particular page where we are going to fill in our card detail and proceed to making payment, okay? Once we fill in the details, make payment will be debited and an email or some emails will be sent to us to either create an account or to change our password. Once we're done with that, we'll be redirected automatically to our dashboard, and our dashboard looks something like this, okay? In our dashboard, we can be able to change our password from our settings. If you want to rechange the password you just changed, you can do that from the settings. I'll be taking you on a thorough tour around the dashboard in our next course. But for today, I guess you understand how to purchase a course. If you're running into issues or you have any problem purchasing a course, you can hit on the bubble icon, the chat bubble at the bottom right corner of the website, either on your mobile or on your desktop, and you can chat us right from there and we'll get to reply you immediately to fix the problem. But I guess you're not going to run into any problem if you follow this guide. So this is simply how to how to actually purchase a course and actually create an account in case you're not done creating an account. But if you're done creating an account and you're logged in, as you purchase a course, automatically you'll be redirected to this page. Now, it's two different things, okay? When you have an account already, you don't need to change your password or those emails you'll be getting. The email you'll be getting is the email of the course you purchased. But if you've not created an account before now, you can also purchase a course without creating an account. Just enable the create an account button and you are all good. Do have a wonderful day. If you have any question, drop in the comment section below. And you can see at the bottom part of this particular video, you can see the thumbnail to watch the tutorial on how to create an account. Till we meet next time, once again, my name is Manuel from CaterGraphix. Do have a wonderful day.